So far at this RV show, this Jayco Pinnacle has been my favorite. It's a really nice fifth wheel. The finish on it's really nice. So let's just show you just a few highlights. Perfect.
Hey.
Okay. So here we are in this living room. I really like this L-shaped sofa. This does pull out to a bed. This actually is a recliner. I know all these things because we were already in here and decided we wanted to come back and show you what was our favorite rig. So that's why we're here. This table pulls way out. Let me see if I can do it as easily as the guy that showed me.
Yeah, it's like on a roller in there.
I mean, look
at that.
how big that table pulls out to.
Now, can you get it back in?
Oh, yeah. Ooh. Maybe.
There you go.
There you go. Got these nice cabinets here, too. There's also cabinets
There's
underneath.
little power towers everywhere.
But then, so you have this, but then you have a desk, like an actual desk right here. So that's just really nice. This would be for your keyboard.
Nice.
And then you also have these little tables that can go
I'm kind of
on.
indifferent about those, though.
Well, what I like is you can take them out if you don't want to use them. But if you want to use them, they're here. Got a nice pantry here.
Oh,
Check this out.
This is a food pantry having
You have
rig
these
right
drawers here, right? But then you have this huge pantry right here too, guys. Look at that.
Just look at it.
Just look at it. Nice fridge. Also, because I know you're wondering, can you access the fridge when the slide is shut? Yes, you can, because it comes up to here.
The couch has to move.
Yeah, this couch gets strapped in over here with this desk, and so then you can still get through over here. So, another favorite of mine. Ta-da!
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher's great. Again, here's this silly little
Cup washer.
I don't understand. Can you see, though, the finish on these cabinets? You see this?
Yeah,
see
you
how
can see
nice
the
this is?
the glow of the lights coming off of them. It's really nice.
Yeah, it's like, reminds me of Class A-ish, you know? Nice cabinets, nice 4-burner gas stove.
Big
You
oven.
can fit a turkey in that oven. This thing is nice. This is interesting. So it's like a double, I don't know why it's not two drawers. A drawer and a drawer. Oh, look at that, too. That's nice, too.
Another drawer and a drawer.
Yeah. Got the fans up there.
Got some space up top for your flowers and me to put my stuff stashed up there where.
Stick your hats.
Right.
Cabinets, and then you have the trash can, and then you have the cutting board with the hole there.
Nice.
Super, super nice.
This is just going to turn into a full review. Look at the ceiling fan. Look how tall the ceilings are. Put your hands up.
Look.
Yeah.
I'm not even going to slice off my fingers. Yeah. And check out these windows. I mean, the shades are down now, but just really nice windows too. And these ones go, go out this way, but the side ones go up and
Slide
down.
up and down.
I even like the light fixtures. You got the sound bar there. You got the fireplace that puts out the heat as well. I like the black and white contrast, but with the gray cabinets. Really pretty rig. So you come this way, here's your panel. You got a nice half bath right when you come up the steps.
Oh, nice.
Storage there, medicine cabinet.
I like the backlit medicine cabinet.
And look how tall the ceiling is in that bathroom.
I know. It's way up there, y'all.
So nice. You got some storage under here for your shoes. Yeah. You also have a closet.
Little closet space, nice. What's
Very
up top?
Nice.
Can you open that?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Oh,
it's just another little
pantry. I thought you saw something. I was like, what?
No.
What did I miss? So come up here to the bedroom. Again, you got this black and white going on here. Windows on both sides. I really like that. You got a little shelf, USB. Lift up the bed. You got storage under there.
Some storage under there, yeah.
So that's nice. Across from the bed, you have the dresser. You have this secret special little
lifts instead of slides on that one. Yep.
Cabinet there. A couple little cabinets, TV. Nice. I dig it. I dig it. Then here's another highlight back here, guys. Check out this huge bathroom. Huge.
That shower's monstrous.
The huge shower. I mean,
it's got a double skylight.
Michael, come here.
Oh, we're both getting in the shower.
Do you see this? We can both fit in this shower.
At the same time.
There are 2 skylights in here as well. So never have I seen an RV where both of us could fit in here.
Right.
Lots of cabinet space in here in this bathroom. This huge mirror. I love, love,
You could
love.
almost put 2 sinks in that.
This is really nice. And then. But wait, there's more. Now you have this double door back in here to the closet.
Cedar lined closet.
They have the chairs hidden here. Prepped for washer dryer. The closet, all this shoe space. I like how, so they have these, you know, these, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars hanging here.
Right.
But you could take some of these down if you want, you know, some more longer.
Yeah, for like
hanger
your pants
space.
or whatever.
Yeah, and this is, yeah, that's real cedar.
Yeah.
Nice big closet. This is a nice rig, guys. This has been my favorite at this show, for sure.
Nice.
The Pinnacle, Jayco Pinnacle. We'll put the rest of the letters down here, because I don't know.
All right, guys, so now we're going to go over the outside of this beast. This full body paint is super nice. Comes generator prepped. It's already solar prepped. It's got everything that you need down underneath, except it's only got 1 lead acid battery in it right now, which we would upgrade that to lithium for sure. Pretty cool option on this one. It holds 3 40-pound propane tanks. It holds 1 on this side and 2 over on the other side. Look at this massive pass-through. Got tons of space. It's got the road vac already in there. Your tankless, water heater, JBL speakers, outdoor entertainment, rack and pinion slides, frameless windows. It's just the regular old 3000 series.
Okay, frameless
awnings.
windows.
Yep, all the frameless windows. Little storage or access to your refrigerator back here. Cable and power outlets. That's interesting. It looks like it's like a hitch, the J port.
I need to find out what a J port is.
Oh, it's for your Blackstone grill.
Oh.
It slides in there and it'll hold you. Yeah.
They got a little hitch thing that goes in there, and you got your griddle.
Yeah.
And then you got your propane.
That's sweet.
Nice.
Yeah, very, very slick.
Yeah.
I like the look of the back too.
Yeah, it's got a nice tail cap.
They still have the ladder.
Yeah, 3,000-pound hitch on the back of it. Got a power reel coil back here, so you don't have to wind up all your power cord. It's all power.
Nice.
Rack and pinion slide on this side as well. Looks like your bedroom closet slide is a Schwinn from here. All hydraulic leveling system. Pretty sweet rig, guys. If you're looking for a monster of a fifth wheel, this sucker's got to be 42-ish feet long. I'll put all the specs right here so you can see your gray tanks, your black tanks, your freshwater tanks, all that stuff with your pin weight and dry weights right here.